The school Jibidais was first established by Congressman Honorable Raman P. Machos Sr. in June 18, 1961, by virtue of Republic Act No. G405 as is tangible gratitude to his political friend, former of the Old Mountain Province, Governor Pado Dangwa, to the local resident of Balakak, for giving him unanimous vote in 3 succeeding congressional elections, giving his opponent a 0 vote. Its founding name was Benguet Vocational School or BVS.
Kaya pinangalanan ng paral na Governor Bado Dangwa. Siya ang pumalit. Siya ang dahil na ipangalan na Governor Bado Dangwa Industrial School. Siya ang gumawa ng institution dito. Yung poultry at piggery, yung department head namin doon si Mr. Andres Kawa. 1996. Poultry piggery. 1996. Higit, baka almost 20 years. Pagkatapos yung application ng din third, yan, Jibidais. Hindi lang 2 years. Baka may 4 yes. To prom. Kagaya na ako. At estudyante lang ako rito eh. Kaya makaalam sa mga principal, kaya alam ko lang na ay bakit yung Ismalo na yan, principal, hindi ko alam kung principal si Estila. Kaya Ismalo, maglalang. Pagkatapos, Abunjo Rosadas, yan, maglalang, Abunjo Rosadas. Ano yan, parang abbreviation yan eh. Yung nakasulat sa harapan ng kantin. Meron Ismalo, Estila, maglalang, Ismalo, Rosadas.
Since si Bais sa Jibidais in honor of Governor Lune, so number rin ay Governor Balodangwa. In honor, through, in honor of legacy of Governor Balodangwa. So ngayon, may sinang na Governor Balodangwa. Historic, baka naman alam nyo sa mga historic. May wala di office din na ipapoya na ibilbo na Republic Act. Kung naman sa is ay the first Estila, wala kami first nila di. Mo gawin Estila, wala kami first nila di. Pag maglalang din next ulit. Kasi kanina pang first nila, pag Losadas din lang. Abunjo if Losadas sila pagkasama sa administrator. Abunjo if Losadas. Muna naman ko na sige kung din course ay kayo din yung motive sige di Estila. Honor na kanang musi po ay nang establish sila. Yung sa din ba is important farm ay mismo farm school. Malakmak Jibidais last Jibidais isa na duhay last amendment ng libak ng korek. Kasi mas matang kumanas politik na step ng palos ko din Taylor's Airport. Muntan kong sila, congressman, mga bilda ba kung nasa sa patabispilan. Nagbibilda rin sa mga doktora, kaya maganda na siya. Sa mga economic, wada, na ikinado yarin yung sakpa-sakpa sa mga diwada yung 1/4 na yung public Banis to Jibidais.
On June 21, 1969, Republic Act No. 586 converted Benguet Vocational School into Balakak Auto Industrial School or BAIS. The act was authored by former Assemblyman Andres Casalan Sr. It added a 4-year secondary course in agriculture in the school curriculum. On February 27, 1984, Balakbak Agro-Industrial School became Governor Badudangwa Agro-Industrial School in memory of the late Governor Badudangwa. This was the year the school named Jibitais and continues to grow and develop since then. Another turning point of view of our history in the establishment of Extension. In 2007, Jibitais Extension came into our existence due to the popular clamor of the people in Tabao to open a high school in their place. To reduce their burden, to directly oversee their children's well-being, and other parents' concerned that eventually convinced the initiators to work hard for its realization. However, in 2021, the Jibidais Extension in Tabao Elementary School decided to be converted as the integrated school, thus ending its extension service from Jibidais. The Ismalog building was named after the three administrators, Mr. Honorio Estera, Mr. Plato Magdalena, and Mr. Evandro Rosadas.
Shall shine forever. We give our loyalty to thee. From the Texas of Italy to countless wonders of Papayao. Sing of the scenic feels the sweet aroma of the Thy name shall shine forever. We give our loyalty to thee in the province rich nature. Praise of our God in the treasure. Beat the gongs and call your folks. March in the greatness of Kabunyan. Hail our home, Cordillera. Thy name shall shine forever. We give our loyalty to
As we close this journey through history,
Let us remember that the lessons of the past continue to influence our lives today. By understanding history, we become better prepared to build a brighter future.
small efforts create big achievements.